Get the canoe out before it breaks in half. Don't force it, push it out towards it.
Push it towards Nick. You gotta pull that end out. Or push the other end, it's only going to be straight in. Oh, go in there, girls. Pull the canoe up here.
Well, where is it going to go?
Don't let it go, though.
Get in, get in.
Hold on, Nick.
Hold on. Guys, you want some help?
Throw it!
Maybe you can use the money.
No, I want to see him go down. Jump in and go!
Don't put it... Let it go, son.
It's full of water.
It's filling! Yeah, help these skinny girls.